Very good morning, my dear friends and channel viewers. Myself, Professor M.H. Annaya, and in today's session, we will learn how to divide a given straight line into the number of required parts. For example, friends, if you have a line measuring 100 mm, if it is to be divided into 5 equal parts, 100 by 5 is equal to 20. So you can step up 20, 20, 20 using your scale, mark and divide the line. But if you have a line which has got a length like 104 millimeters and is to be divided into 5 equal parts. So 104 divided by 5 will be 20.8. Say 107, we will take 107 millimeters, say, into 5 is 5 2 certain 5 ones are 5 to 21.4. This can be marked. 21.4 can be marked. But if you have a length, say some other length, say 142 to be divided into some number of parts, say some 8 parts. 8 ones are 8, 6, 8 sevens are 56, point something you get. So this is applicable for both the lines which can be marked and the lines which cannot be. So friends, here I have got a line of the given length of 107 millimeter. So I will write a horizontal line of length 107 millimeter. I will show here 107 millimeter, 107 millimeter, and say I need to divide instead of 5, we will say to be divided into 7 equal parts. That will be better. So this is a line we have got. It has got a length 107. I want to divide this into 7 equal parts. Friends, it is very simple. At A, you draw a line, some line AC, a straight line again, some line AC at an angle theta, which is generally lesser than 90 degree we take, lesser than 90 degrees, 90 degree. And friends, we will join, or before joining, on this line AC, which is drawn at an angle theta to the horizontal, we will take the protractor or the, what do you call, compasses, and here friends, you can just mark on 7 divisions of any length. So any length you take, any equal distance, 7 distances, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You will mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say this is the line AC. Line AC is marked like this. This is any equal length. That is to say, A to 1 is equal to 1 to 2 is equal to 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 1 to 2, A to 1. Anything at random you can just take using your compasses. Then friends, join the last part to the last division here. If it is to be divided into 8 parts, 8 division to be joined here. If it is to be divided into 5 parts, 5th part is to be joined here. So 7 parts I want to divide. So I just write join this line, 7 to that B. Now friends, now you can take your protractors, that is 30 degree and 45 degrees protractors you got. You just set one of the edges parallel to this edge, that is BC, and keep moving that, keeping one of the what you call set squares along this, keep moving and draw lines parallel through all these points. Say from 6 parallel to BC, from 5 parallel to that, from 4 parallel to, from 3 parallel to that, parallel, parallel. Friends, all these lines, whatever you have drawn here, are parallel to each other. And here, this is point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, 6 and 7. This is how we divide the given straight line of length 107 into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is the 7th. 7th division coincides with B. Friends, you can ask me what the length of this would be. Length of each part, length of each division or each part is equal to the total length of AB or length of AB divided by number of parts. So total length is 107 mm divided by number of parts we made is 7. Is 7 ones are 7, 3, 35, 2 remaining, 0.4. So this will be the length of each of this. A1 is equal to this distance, and this is how we divide the given line into the required number of equal parts. And friends, we will have one more construction here, that is how to divide a given angle into required number of even parts. So I will say in the question, divide 110 degrees into say 111, so some odd number, 111 degrees into 7 equal parts. So it should be even number, 8 equal parts. And this is the question. We have got a line. That is not a line, it is an angle. Divide angle 100 into 8 equal parts. This is the question we have got. Friends, we will just mark that angle. So I will just draw a line or two lines. One perpendicular to the other, or not 110 degrees. That is, I am marking a sector here. Say this is AB and this is C, and I have marked 111 degrees. This angle is 111 degree. Friends, I want to divide this into 8 equal parts. This will be 111 by 8. How to divide that? Friends, if it is 80 degree divided into 8 parts, then it should be 10 degrees, because 10 degree can be marked using your protractor. Friends, here to obtain 8 divisions of this angle theta, what is to be done now? Friends, take center A and with a convenient length, anything lesser than AB, say a half of AB or a little more than AB, take that measurement, draw an arc. So I have taken this length at random on AB and I have drawn an arc. Friends, taking center 1 and radius equal to same, draw an arc here. Similarly, with the same radius, you draw another arc. And if you join these two, the angle 111 degrees is divided into 2 equal parts. That is 55 degrees each. 55 degree, 55 degree. Follow the procedure and keep dividing these again. Friends, again, suppose this is point 2, I will take center 1 and radius equal to this much, strike an arc. Similarly with center 2 and the same radius, draw an arc. So you will get this into this arc divided into two equal parts. Follow the procedure here, and friends, you will get this divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. And you want to divide further each of these into two equal parts. Same procedure. Take this as center and radius equal to this, an arc. Again with the same, this center, same radius, draw an arc. Follow this for all these, and friends, you will have the angle 111 degrees divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And each of these angle will be 111 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 3, 31, 8 3s are 24 point something you get. 13 point something is the value of each of these small divisions. Friends, this is how we obtain the division of an angle, given angle, and this angle could be a right angle, an acute angle that is lesser than 90, an obtuse angle greater than 90. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. It's a very simple presentation, and most of the high school and even middle school students do this problem. So friends, thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.